Alrighty, sorry about that delay. Well, it looks like it's a couple minutes after 6, so let's get started with our 2018 Panini Prizm Football Random Player One Box Break number 2. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everyone in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times, and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Rysick 39 in the top spot. And we've got Nudge 99, 86, 1984 in the bottom spot. All right. I'm just going to cut and paste this over to the right and sort by everyone's eBay IDs so they know which players that they have before we open our box. We'll scroll through our list briefly. Don't worry if you happen to miss a player or two that you might have. We'll take all of the bigger hits and go through them and see who got which cards. One thing to note, we're not shipping vet base out of this break. Just the rookies, the parallels, and inserts. Just to make sure everybody is clear on that. All right, let me blow the font up on this so it's a little easier to read. So already sold out, Woody? All righty, here's our list. Which break are you talking about, Woody? This Prizm football break or the Mosaic basketball? This one I shut down. I think we had a few spots left in it. Or the listing was still open. I always try to close the listing before we actually start the break. Just because. If I cut you off, I apologize, Woody. I just always end the listing before we start the breaks. Yeah, I ended it right before I did the random. Sorry about that. Kind of thinking I should do some more hockey. I actually listed a couple. I listed, good gracious, what did I list this week? I listed an Upper Deck Ice break on the website yesterday, or maybe it was Thursday. I'd like to do more hockey. I think we've got a couple folks that break with us that like the hockey. But I listed that there, and then I've got a game used 1920 SP game used break, I think, listed on the website as well. If you're so inclined, I guess this is a good time, since I'm talking about the website, to mention that if you, for all your first orders on the website, you can get a 20% discount by using the 20 off code at checkout. And then we also offer a 10% discount when you buy 10 or more spots with the code 10 off 10. That's my infomercial portion of the break. Do you like hockey, David? Are you a hockey person? I know enough about hockey to be remotely dangerous, I guess. And I'll be honest, I have nothing against hockey, but I really like hockey cards a lot more than I like hockey, if that makes any sense. You're not a big Dallas Stars fan, David? It's a legitimate question. Sorry, couldn't help it. Too easy. Back in the old days, That's right. That's right, Matt. Can't talk too bad about those Stars. That seems like eons ago when that happened. I know it wasn't that long ago. Yeah, no controversy. Everything's fine. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. All right. Now that we've been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Again, nice big hobby box. Good luck, everybody. We have a lot of those in this area, Matt. since we're about 3 hours from St. Louis, I'm going to go ahead and just take all these out of the box and stack them here. Well, those 12 card packs feel substantial because it's that thick chromium stock. That's a pack of cards. Set this over here. All right. Pack number 1. Kareem Hunt, Vontaze Burfict, Deshaun Watson, Kelvin Benjamin, Dalvin Cook, Juju Smith-Schuster, Ndamukong Suh, Deshaun Jackson, Jeremy Hill, and then we've got a Melvin Gordon green and yellow Prizm. Let's see if that's serial numbered, and that is serial numbered 159 of 275. Well, everybody hates the Cowboys. I get that, though. I mean, I understand that for multiple reasons. I totally get that. Although I've been a moderate Cowboy fan for several years, I understand it. Believe me, I get it. All right, our next card is a Justin Jackson rookie card. And then our last card in the pack is a Jair Alexander rookie card. And then our Super Bowl Kid Reporter card. Let me get that wrapper out of here. On to pack number 2. No, well, the Rams left. I mean, they're in LA now. They abandoned the state of Missouri and its fine, fine citizens. J.J. Watt. Honestly, I wasn't that big of a fan of them when they were here. Charles Clay. Amir Abdullah. Aaron Jones. Josh McCown. Kirk Cousins. Antonio Brown. Speaking of the Rams, Jared Goff. Then we have a Matt Ryan hype Prizm insert. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see. We'll set that there. Oh, and then we have our next card is a Carson Wentz orange die cut Prizm. There's your guy, David. Carson Wentz. And that is serial numbered 40 of 249. See, Cowboy fans have to be diehard for all the stuff that Jerry puts them through. Our next card is Deontay Burnett, rookie. And our last card in pack number 2 is a Mike Hughes rookie. Great point, Matt. Great point. Good analogy, too, unfortunately, but yes, very appropriate. All right, pack number 3. I mean, how could you not like Kurt Warner? Like, I'm not necessarily a Rams fan, but, you know, I mean, that's quite a story. I think any football fan is a fan of that story. And it's a great story. And he appears to be a pretty good dude, so T.Y. Hilton, Torrey Smith, Matt Ryan. Here's some Cowboy greatness right here for you all. Ezekiel Elliott. Marshawn Lynch. Yeah, I mean, it's a great story. Guy's bagging groceries, and then all of a sudden he's starting for the Rams. I mean, even if it didn't have the Super Bowl ending, just the fact that he goes from one to the other is pretty exceptional. Jordan Reed. Alvin Kamara. Oh, Cam Chancellor, and we've got our first auto. Ooh, Fred Warner red Prizm autograph. Nice. And that is serial numbered 39 of 199. How about that? Excellent. And then our next card is a Sony Michel rookie card. Nice. And then Kalen Ballage rookie card. Alrighty. Next pack. Jacoby Brissett, Christian McCaffrey, Devontae Adams, Alex Collins, Marquette King, Amari Cooper, Josh Norman, Sterling Shepard, Earl Thomas III, and we have a DeAndre Hopkins yellow and green Prizm parallel. And that's numbered 122 of 275. And then our rookie cards in the pack are Edo Smith, need a fresh bag of sleeves. There's our Edo Smith. And then our last rookie card in the pack is Ryan Izzo. I didn't realize Coastal Carolina was in Myrtle Beach. I can't believe that I grew up in that region and didn't realize that. I always thought Coastal Carolina was somewhere in North Carolina for some reason. It speaks very poorly of my regional geography knowledge. Alrighty, first card, Cole Beasley, AJ Green, Marlon Mack, Greg Olson, Le'Veon Bell, Todd Gurley, Khalil Mack, Samaje Perine, rookie introduction, Cortland Sutton, Prizm insert, And then we have a Randall Cobb Blue Circle Prizm Parallel. And that is serial numbered 72 of 99. Okay, so it's in Conway. Put that there. And then our rookie cards out of this pack are DJ Moore. Nice little card. And then Derek Anade. Alrighty, next pack. Oh, Patrick Mahomes, Geno Atkins, CJ Mosley, Case Keenum, Xavier Rhodes, Mike Williams, Odell Beckham Jr., O.J. Howard, Chris Hogan. Oh, how about this? Gold Dante Pettis, rookie Prizm. Wow. Well, that is a sharp looking card too. That gold just pops off of there. The camera does not do it justice. And that is serial numbered 5 of 10. How about that? How about that? Dante Pettis rookie gold Prizm. Well, that is a beautiful card too. My goodness, that gold looks nice. Just pops right off there. Wow, great hit for the Pettis spot. Jiminy Crickets. And our next card is Derwin James rookie. And then our last is Josh Rosen. And then our Super Bowl reporter card. All right, next pack. Eric Berry, Jordan Howard, DeAndre Hopkins, Micah Hyde, Cooper Kupp, Isaiah Crowell, Delaney Walker, TJ Watt, Marshall Faulk Hall of Fame insert, Prizm variation. Nice looking card, very clean. And then our parallel is the Dion Lewis red, looks like shimmer. I'm not going to call it shimmer, but red Prizm. And it is serial numbered 85 of 149. And then our rookie cards, we have Leighton Vander Esch of the beloved Dallas Cowboys. I know everyone in the chat is very excited about this card in the break. It was too easy. And then Hayden Hurst, Ravens rookie card. Cowgirl. I was waiting for that, David. I was waiting for that. I knew at some point that was going to be thrown out there. Clay Matthews, Michael Crabtree. Oh, look at that. Dak. Tyreek Hill. Drew Brees, Doug Baldwin, Adam Thielen, Cameron Hayward, Jonathan Stewart, and we have a purple checker Juju Smith-Schuster Prizm. Well, that card's got a lot going on. I mean, goodness gracious. That is a busy card. I feel like I should be wearing bell bottoms and white vinyl shoes just holding it. And that is serial numbered 35 of 49. Goodness. Nice little low number parallel there. And then our rookie cards in this pack are DJ Chark. Yeah, David, you're bound to hurt Woody's feelings. And then our last card is Troy Fumagalli, rookie. And then our Kid Reporter card. All right, we're down to 4 packs. 4 packs. Looks like we have an autograph in this pack. Tyler Eifert. We still have 2 to go. Jack Doyle. Devonta Booker. Deion Buchanan. Andy Dalton. Cameron Brate. Julian Edelman. Ben Roethlisberger. Devontae Parker. Oh, we got something good. Got something good. Ooh. How about that? A little Josh Allen Prizm rookie autograph. Not too shabby. Great hit for the Allen spot. Excellent. And that is serial numbered 48 of 75. How about that? Very nice hit for the Josh Allen spot. Excellent. And then our rookie card in this pack, rookie cards, are Darius Fountain and Alan Lazard. Yeah, you hit the nail on the head there, Woody. You know, just a lot of jealousy out in the world today. A lot of jealousy. That's right, Woody. That's right. All right. On to pack number 10. LeGarrette Blount. Mohamed Sanu. Adam Vinatieri. LaShawn McCoy. Aaron Donald. Jordy Nelson. Marcus Mariota. Michael Thomas. And then we have a Devontae Adams Silver. And then our third auto in the box is Isaiah Oliver. All right, and our rookie cards in this pack are Sam Hubbard, and Royce Freeman. And then our Kid Reporter card. On to pack 11. Randall Cobb, Vic Beasley Jr., Sean Lee, Travis Kelce, Mitchell Trubisky, Brandon Marshall, Stephon Diggs, Alejandro Villanueva, Braden Cooks. Oh, and we've got a blue die cut prism of Cameron Meredith. Let me get another sleeve out here. And that is serial numbered 173 of 199. Yeah, I think everybody remembers that game, David. Jordan Lastly. And then Jalen Samuels. All righty, last pack. Amir Abdullah, Joe Mixon, T.Y. Hilton, Torrey Smith, Aaron Jones, Matt Ryan again, and Lynn. Look, Zeke again. Kareem Hunt. Oh, and now here's an interesting trifecta. Cam Newton, Christian McCaffrey, and DJ Moore. Looks like we'll need to random that. Set that there. And then our parallel is a orange die cut CJ Mosley Prizm. And that is serial numbered 131 of 249. And then our rookie cards in this pack are Terrell Edmonds and Chase Edmonds. How about that? And then, of course, our beloved Kid Reporter card. So let's go through our list and see who got all of these cards. I'm going to start with the rookie cards first. Actually, I take that back. I need to do a random for our trifecta insert real quick. So let me open another random window, and we'll do that before we go through our list. Let's see here. And DJ Moore. Wow, that kind of does seem like the Philly crowd, though, David. I mean, they're a pretty rough bunch. Pretty rough bunch. All righty. So here's a random. I've got everybody listed in the order left to right that they're on the card, and I've listed them twice. I'll randomize this list 5 times. And whichever player is on top after the 5th randomization, that'll be the spot the card goes to. Once, twice, 3, 4, and 5. And it goes to the Christian McCaffrey spot. So, that being said, let's go to our list and see who has McCaffrey. So that goes to Abby. Congrats on that. First hit of the box. So now we'll go through our rookie cards. Our Chase Edmonds goes to Bet Base B 25. Congrats on that. Our Terrell Edmonds rookie goes to Abby. Doubling up. Congrats. Our Jalen Samuels rookie card goes to Abby. Our Jordan Lashley goes to Abby. On fire. Getting the big stack already. Our Royce Freeman rookie card goes to BPLA7. Congrats on that. Our Sam Hubbard rookie goes to DJ34. Congrats on that. Our Alan Lazard rookie goes to Jode Foster 54. Congrats. Our Darius Fountain rookie goes to Black and Gold 87. Congrats on that. Our Troy Fugamali rookie goes to C. Kincaid 142011. Congrats. DJ Chark rookie goes to Nudge 9986 1984. Yeah, it's funny, David, how the worst of the worst always get the attention. Hayden Hurst rookie card goes to Hometown Breaks. Congrats on that. Our Leighton Vander Esch rookie card goes to CRME Web 0. Congrats. Our Josh Rosen rookie card goes to BetBase B 25. Doubling up. Congrats on that. Our Derwin James rookie card goes to Abby. Congrats. Our Derek Ndia goes to BetBase B 25. Hitting it up again. Congrats on that. Our DJ Moore rookie card goes to Isaac Ryan 4. Congratulations on that. Our Ryan Izzo rookie goes to Billy Mitchell USA. Congrats on that. Our Ito Smith rookie goes to Cards of All Sorts. Congrats on that. And then our Kalen Ballage rookie goes to Matthew Bresh 0. Congrats on that. And then our Sony Michelle rookie goes to Abby. Killing it. Congrats on that. And then our Mike Hughes rookie goes to Abby. Then our Deontay Burnett rookie goes to Jody Foster 54. Congratulations. Doubling up. Our Jair Alexander goes to Black and Gold 87. Congrats on that. Doubling up. And then our Justin Jackson rookie card goes to DJI 34. Congrats. Doubling up. All right, let's go through our inserts next. Our Marshall Faulk Hall of Fame Prizm insert goes to Brando Ryle 8. Congratulations on that. Our rookie introduction Cortland Sutton goes to DJI 34. Congrats. And then our Hype Matt Ryan insert goes to Nudge, 9986, 1984. Congrats on that. So next, let's go through our parallels. Our C.J. Mosley orange die cut prism goes to Rysick, 39. Congrats. Our blue die cut Cameron Meredith prism parallel goes to Bet Base B25. Congrats on that. Our Devontae Adams silver goes to Una Mafia. Congrats on that. And then our Juju Smith-Schuster purple checkerboard prism, serial number to 49, goes to Abby. Congrats on that. And then our Dion Lewis red prism, serial number to 149, goes to Jody Foster 54. Congratulations on that. Then our Randall Cobb blue circles prism, serial number to 99, and that goes to Calla Bryce. Congrats on that. And then our DeAndre Hopkins green and yellow prism goes to Abby. Congrats on that. And then our Carson Wentz die cut orange prism, serial number to 249. And it goes to RR Ainge NC4. Congratulations on that. And then our Melvin Gordon green and yellow prism to 275 goes to Abby. All right. And then our awesome Dante Pettis gold rookie prism, serial numbered 5 of 10, goes to Abby. Congrats on that. How about that? And now to our autographs. Our Isaiah Oliver auto goes to C. Kincaid 14, 2011. Congratulations on that. And then our red Fred Warner prism autograph to 199 goes to Una Mafia. Congrats on that, doubling up. Excellent timing. And then last but certainly not least, our Josh Allen green prism autograph, serial numbered 48 of 75. And that goes to Abby. My goodness. Just crushed it. Absolutely crushed it. All right. All righty. Well, that concludes our 2018 Panini Prizm Football Random Player 1-Box Break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thank you for your patience. I know this one took a while to get filled, so I appreciate you sticking with us while we got it filled. And of course, thanks to everybody joining us live on the stream this evening for the break. We'll be back here in a couple of minutes with our leather and lumber baseball pick your player break. Thanks again, everybody.